Hello people, this is Mo's Car Blog and you are joining me on the Autobahn with the Porsche Taycan 4S. This car is really fast, also above 100 kilometers per hour. Look at this. It has always power. Listen to the sound. Oh, we need to brake here. In my opinion, this is the best electric car ever made because it doesn't feel like an electric car. It's really fast all the time and it's got a beautiful sound to it, and it's still agile, and it's Porsche interior like in the 911, the same steering wheel, the same infotainment. So I'm really convinced of this car, and maybe I would go electric one day. 220, 230, 240, 250, this is the maximum this car can reach. Car is really stable on the ground, doesn't jump around. It recuperates when you brake, so you gain more battery energy from the braking. So that's also practical. Look at the green bar here, I hope you can see it. And then when I give it full throttle, it goes all the way blue, the whole power meter, like this. And now it recuperates again. In my opinion, this is the best electric car money can buy, because this starts at 104,000 euros. With options it's like 140,000 euros, and the Turbo S starts at like 187,000 euros. So this is nearly 80,000 euros cheaper, but it's still really quick. Also, when you do a launch control, you feel all the G-force. It's seriously just, it's too quick for the road. And I would personally buy it if you would ask me. If all electric cars were like the Taycan, it wouldn't be so bad. you enjoy more content like this, then please subscribe, hit the like and leave a comment for me. I will do more POVs of different cars, so stay tuned for that. And now for this video, I think I will slowly end it. Let's take over this truck with another kick down, and then I will end this video. Thank you for watching as always. I hope you enjoyed, and goodbye.